Welcome to the world of DeFi, short for decentralized finance, where banks are replaced by blockchain and you control your money. If you're new here, don't worry. In the next few minutes, I'll explain exactly what DeFi is and why it's changing finance forever. Unlike traditional finance, where banks manage your money, DeFi uses smart contracts, code that automatically executes financial actions. This means no paperwork, no approvals, and full control in your hands. Here's what makes DeFi powerful. It's open to everyone. It works 24/7. It gives you better rates and yields. It's transparent. Everything is on the blockchain. But DeFi is not risk-free. There are smart contract bugs, scams, and market volatility. So always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Some of the top DeFi platforms you should know about. Uniswap for trading tokens. Aave for lending and borrowing. Compound for earning interest. MakerDAO for stablecoins. So, is DeFi the future? Many believe it is. As technology improves and more people learn about it, decentralized finance could replace many parts of today's financial system. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more simple explanations.